house in Devin, a creation of Plusminusarchitects, nestled itself into the landscape as if it had always belonged. It wasn't a structure imposed upon the land, but rather a gentle extension of it. Perched on the southwestern outskirts of Devin, the house embraced the forest, the sloping terrain, and the majestic silhouette of the castle as integral parts of its very being. The architects hadn't just designed a house, they had crafted an experience, a living poem etched into the hillside. With its dramatic 8.5-meter longitudinal elevation and a more subtle 4.2-meter transverse slope, presented both a challenge and an opportunity. The architects ingeniously addressed this by setting the house into the terrain, allowing for a seamless entry from the north. This clever positioning not only simplified access but also created a sense of groundedness, connecting the house intimately with the earth. From this northern point, the house unfolded, revealing its southern and western faces to the sun and the breathtaking views. Inside, the ground floor hummed with life. The kitchen, dining room, and living room, complete with a fireplace, formed a warm and inviting space for family and friends to gather. A guest room provided comfortable accommodation, while the hygiene and technical areas ensured the smooth functioning of the house. Near the entrance, a shaded pergola offered shelter for 3 cars, along with exterior storage, a practical touch that didn't detract from the overall aesthetic. Ascending the airy steel staircase, one discovered the private realm of the upper floors. A suspended gallery overlooked the living room, housing the children's bedrooms, a bathroom, and an open-plan study. On the opposite side, a narrow terrace stretched out, offering stunning views of the castle, a constant reminder of the rich history of the region. The topmost floor was dedicated to the parents, featuring a bedroom, an ensuite bathroom, a walk-in wardrobe, and a generous roof terrace that opened onto a panorama of verdant beauty. The staircase culminated in a glazed exit onto this viewing residence roof, a final flourish that emphasized the connection to the sky and the surrounding landscape. The heart of the house, the living area, flowed effortlessly from southeast to southwest, blurring the lines between indoors and out. Raised timber terraces reached out towards the mature trees, creating the illusion of living amongst the branches. This feeling of being suspended in the treetops was amplified by the double-height extension of the living space, which nestled against the opposing wooden slope. The architects had masterfully orchestrated a symphony of wood, light, and nature. Every detail of the house in Devin spoke of thoughtful design and a deep respect for its surroundings. The orientation of the windows, carefully placed to capture specific views, the use of natural materials like cedar for the ventilated facade, and the structural integrity provided by the concrete piles and reinforced concrete slabs. All these elements combined to create a home that was both beautiful and functional. The lignotrend wooden structure of the upper levels added a sense of warmth and natural elegance. This house wasn't just a dwelling, it was a sanctuary, a place where nature and architecture danced in perfect unison. Thanks for being a part of this amazing community. Your support means the world to me. Make sure you subscribe and join the conversation in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Until next time, take care.